What's going on YouTube? It's FX aka Tradaholics, back with another video. Sunday market breakdown. We're gonna break down these what I'm gonna be looking for market open, right? Currently 7:15 p.m. Alright, so you just gonna get right into it, bro. No talking too much, bro, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're gonna go to where am I watching this at? Oh, there we go. Alright. Let's clear my chart from last week. Let's clear all of these charts from last week, bro. Yeah, what I'm looking at. Start off on gold. Weekly time frame. Alright, so last week you can do gold close bullish right here. Alright. So let's get into it, right? That's my weekly level right there. Bottom of the weekly range here. Alright, we got some resistance right here, and resistance over here on the weekly time frame. Got resistance right here and resistance right here. Right on the weekly. Shot down to the daily. I might actually clean these lines up actually. I like this one. I don't necessarily like this one. I'm gonna lie. Let's go back up. I don't like the way that looked on the daily. Should I draw right here? We're gonna skip. We're gonna find the level, not still weekly. So I'm looking at here on the daily. Here on the daily. Coordinates. Friday. 1935. There we go. Daily level. Coordinates. Daily. I'm running the numbers off to make them more so psychological levels. Let's just make this. Like. $210. There you go. Alright, so now we are within these ranges. Go down to the 4 hour. I'm just gonna focus on what's going on up here. Alright. Tapping into this 4 hour support here. You got a resistance right here, support right here. And fake outs right here. But for the most part, for the most recent, we got resistance here coming down to possibly find it as the support on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour candlestick currently has no top weight, so we definitely could flip bullish on the 4 hour time frame, right? We are in some bullish structure because we were forming lower lows and lower highs. Right, as you can see, we had a little change of trend right around here. This push up broke all of these highs to the left hand side. Alright, so now we're just in a pullback phase on the 4 hour time frame, right? So we are bullish on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 30-minute 1 hour. Let's see how this 1 hour low look. Yep. So now we're in this within this 1 hour range. Or within this 1 hour range. Hold on real quick. Then oh yeah, we are within this 1 hour range. Currently rejected off. We just rejected off of this resistance level here. And if you look to the left hand side, you have format support here, resistance here, right? So I really like this level. A lot of nice reactions off of this level right here. 1 hour time frame dropped down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes so far, we look like we just broke out of this range to the left hand side. Alright, we could potentially come down to here, or possibly come down to here, being as though the traffic to the left hand side was so clean, right? And if I take this, let's check my fib, boom. Yeah, we could see some reaction off of here to go up. So come London open, I'll be looking to take some buys around this area. How do I think the week will end though? I think we are. I think we're going bullish. I think we should be going bullish. I think we're gonna have a bullish week, bullish buys this week. All because this push up broke all of these highs to the left hand side. We did a pullback, found support, and it started to break highs and respect lows throughout these candlesticks, going back to the upside. So yeah, that's the goal. Then we're gonna do GJ. So let me see what we're gonna do. Alright, we got this weekly level right here. We're gonna make it 300 flat. Bottom of the weekly level right here. This is 350. Let's try down to daily time frame. I really don't like GJ at all, to be honest. It's too choppy and we high as hell in price. Well, I can't ignore the fact that we just broke these highs to the left hand side right here. We are bullish. We're currently in a pullback phase. Nothing interesting on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame. We are in a pullback phase. We have a level of support here. Let's delete this. This line will throw me off. I'll delete that one. Alright, we in this 4 hour range. Faked out. We could potentially go bullish here. This should be a fit play, if I'm not mistaken. You're rejected off of the 7.79. We could go bullish here. It's GJ is already in the bullish structure, as you can see here. So we could continue to go bullish. Let's go down 1 hour time frame. But the 1 hour is bearish, I guess, because we are forming lower lows and lower highs on this 1 hour time frame, as you can see here. So I want to see a break of over here, bro. Here, other than that, I don't know about sales. Not yet. I need to see a range for. But That'll be it for the video, bro.